Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So one of the issues we come across very frequently in managing many ads accounts is ads disapproved, destination not working errors. And that'll pop up from Google if if your landing page cannot be reached. And it can be if it's a temporary issue. Sometimes we see Google Ads glitch out and we'll see the error. And in fact, the landing page has been up the whole time. But for whatever reason, these do pop up a lot. And so it is something you have to keep an eye out for. You can obviously spot check all of your ads on a regular basis to see if there are any issues. Um, you can also check the policy manager because this error will show up there, and that's actually an easier way to find those. And I'd suggest that you do include that as part of your regular optimization routine. But when you do come across it, you have a few options, and the obvious option is to appeal the disapproval. Obviously, you want to check to make sure the URL is working first, but once you've done that, you can go ahead and appeal. The issue with that option is it can take a couple of days for the appeal to go through, and of course, it could fail, and then you're going to have to come back and check it frequently to make sure the appeal gets approved. So another simpler option that's kind of a hack is if you just edit the ad and you go into the final URL and you just change it to something else and save the ad, edit again, change it back to the original URL and save it. The ad will typically get reviewed in minutes and approved, hopefully. So it's just a lot better than waiting around for a couple of days for an appeal, because in the meantime, that whole ad group, if you only have one ad, is offline, which could obviously cost you performance and customers and lots of other things. So it's just a little hack. And hopefully you will find that helpful and it'll kind of streamline resolving this particular issue. That is it for today. I will see you next time.